Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today we did have a huge Amazon Web Services failure. This is where we always say that when too many services use the same big hosting service, it's a big problem. And so we often talk about Microsoft's own Azure and cloud problems, but now this one was a massive Amazon cloud service problem, and it affected a host of services from Amazon's own services like Prime Video to Perplexity AI to Fortnite Gaming to gazillion different services, all different from one to the other. And so today was a big problem. It still lingers slightly. There's still some problems apparently, but it is now just little patches of problems here and there. Things are mostly back to normal. Once again, showing that we should have a lot more diversity in cloud services rather than have just one, two, three big cloud services that have like 90% of the market. As when it breaks too many things at the same time. So if you had some problems today with some of your favorite websites, maybe some of your favorite games, or maybe some of your favorite services, it probably has to do with the Amazon Web Services problems that happened today, October the 20th. So things are pretty much back to normal. If you still have little lingering issues, just wait and tomorrow will probably be okay. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.